विष्णवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः।
Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Karma and Destiny. So today we are going to make a video on the topic which I have started the series of the planets in the houses. I have covered 10 houses. So today is the time for the 11th house. Planets placed in the 11th house of desires, fulfillment of desires. So 11th house, it is ruled by Rahu and Saturn. And Saturn is today, if you see in the transit, it is going through the Aquarius sign. So it is a very good phase for the people who have good Saturn in their chart, fulfilling them desire, but with delay, as Saturn is slow moving planet. So what it does everything in perfection, but with the slow pace. Right? So as it is right now it is retrograde. So it is in a fast mode. You can say it is going back. So preparing for the future which you have forgot or you have left behind in this period. When it will come in a right mode, forward mode, then it will start giving you the results. So this is not our topic for the today. So first of all, I just want to request you, if you have come first time on this channel, so you can subscribe this channel if you are gaining the knowledge from me, or this channel if you want to gain knowledge about astrology. Please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and press the all button so that you can get all my videos on time. So let's start our video, our topic. So Sun in the 11th house. Sun in the 11th house is a very good position, because Sun do good over there. Sun in the 10th house, Sun is Digbali. But in the 11th house, it is also Digbali. It's less Digbali, but it is Digbali. It could, because it is going to the Digbal, right? To the direction of Digbal. So here Sun can give you position in their life. Very good position. Your father may be on a very good position in this life, right? But here Sun can create problem with regarding children, with regarding the boss, with regarding the father. You may have different opinion with your father. Sun here. But the people who are in touch with you may be also from a very good royal families. But you have some little friend of circles from the very good families. Not like others, very huge circle, the people are normal. But very little circle with good families, with royal families, who can help you, or you can help them. Whenever you need help, you can get from them. Whenever they need help, you can get them. Yes, you have very good connection with the people of government people. Very good connections you have. Sun in the 11th house. After that, Moon in the 11th house. Moon in the 11th house, if I say, is not a very good position. This person has to change his home twice or thrice in his lifetime. If it doesn't happen, then the health issue to the mother can happen over there. If you are in a job, then the income may be constant, right? But if you are in a business, your income is not constant. Sometimes it's come in a very good flow, and then it breaks, then it stops. Then it comes very good flow, then it stops. Not a constant income in the business. But if you are in a job, then it is good, because you have a fixed salary. The people who have Moon in the 11th house always try to hide their gains. Don't try to tell their gains, what they have earned in their life. If they are doing a job of 50,000 or 15,000, they will say, I am doing in 20,000 or I am in 10,000. Will not tell the accurate figure. Have fond of eating or keeping kind of Ayurvedic churans, chutneys like The sauces you can say in the foreign land, kind of sauces, sour, hot and sour, right? This kind of things they have. They are fond of these kind of things, actually, known in the 11th house. But issue with the father or issue with the health mother can be seen, right? So after moon here comes a Mars. Mars is in joy here. Very good position for the Mars in the 11th house of desires. You can also see these kind of results if you have planet in the Aquarius sign, not in the 11th house. If you can see in my last videos which I have uploaded on the houses, planet in the houses, let's say you have no planet in the 4th house, but you have planet in the Cancer sign, then you can also check, is it matching or not? To some extent, it will match with the significations which I am going to tell you. In each houses, like in the planets in the 9th house, but you don't have any planet in the 9th house, but you have planet in the Sagittarius sign. Watch that video and tell me, is it matching or not? It will match to some extent. So, planets placed in the Aquarius sign, the result can be same. And you have to check it out. So, Mars, we are talking about. Mars is a very good position over there. Mars is blood. As your forefather had done very good things in their life. So that you got Mars. Because Mars is enjoy here. Enjoy. So, wherever you live, if you have Mars in the 11th house, there may be some kind of community hall or celebration hall around there. If no hall, if you are living in a very wider area or a rural area, there may be land where the people do parties. I mean to say, if you have Mars in the 11th house, you may have kind of party hall around you, near your house. It may be a community, what do you say? But you can arrange parties. Actually, I am not getting the word right now. So Mars, but their income is never constant. It's ups and downs. Sometimes it comes with a very good flow, then it stops, slow down. Then it comes a very good flow, then slow down. Have very good friend circle, Mars in the 11th house, but sometimes if Mars is afflicted, they got cheated by their friends. Have struggle, they got success in life, they got money in their life, but after the hard work, not so easily. They have to put lot of hard work to get their desires fulfillment, to fulfill their desires, right? Mars in the 11th house. Issue with your sibling or your elder sister, elder brother can be seen. Mars in the 11th house. You may be the elder one in the house. You may. Or if you are not, then you have issue with your elder brother or elder sibling. It can be seen, right? After Mars, it's Mercury. Mercury here is not a very good placement. Although one of the very legendary astrologer has told, he always take Mercury in the 11th as exaltation point, exalted Mercury. But if Mercury is not good in 11th house, it is afflicted, you will get cheated by your friends. You don't have a very good friend circle. Or you are not focused on your goals just because of your friends. Because they always oblige you to come do some party. You are always in a mood of party. Issue related to certifications of your education or your job, some kind of issue with the certification can happen, can seen there. You may got cheated. You are very, very focused towards your income. You can fight with others for that money or income. That I need my money. Or you may be underpaid over there. Mercury in the 11th house. But be aware of your friends. If you have a friend circle, if your Mercury is not good, be aware of your friends. Your friend can spoil your career here. After Mercury comes the Jupiter. Jupiter is the significator of the 11th house. So have very good friend circle, have very good religious people. right? But issue with the elder sibling can be seen over there. Not a stable income, right? Not a stable income. Health issue can be seen to father, to mother. Break in the education can be seen. Jupiter overall 11th house, people say it is a significant, it is a very good position, but it is not. You may have to travel for earning. To fulfill your desire, you have to travel a lot in your life. To get the income, you have to travel a lot in your life. Your life is not a very, you can say, materialistic or a luxurious life, I can say. Because focused on your business. That's why you are not able to give time to your sibling, to your family life. Issue in the married life can be seen just because of the partner. Then here comes the Venus. So Venus is also not a very good placement over there. Your partner may be very beautiful, maybe spendthrift, right? But you may have some kind of sexual harassment in your early age. You may have, and if it is afflicted. Very good friend circle with the royal people. Partner may be from a very good family, very broad family, big family. So Venus, I have nothing to say more about Venus over there. But according to me, it's just because of your relationship, you have to struggle in your life. Venus in the 11th house. Your spouse may live away from you just because of earnings. You cannot fulfill your desires with your partner, whatever you have to spend time with your partner. Sometimes can be seen. After Saturn is own house. So what does it happen? It gives you struggles in the life. Issue with the father, issue in the knowledge, break in education. Right? But whatever you need, you will get later in the life, after the very hard work. After very hard work. Health issue to father can be seen. Health issue to you also can be seen. Income come very slowly. Friend circle not be very good friend circle. You have to struggle a lot to fulfill your income, fulfill your desires. Right? Business can be related to finance. Or your finance can be stuck somewhere just because of you. Got cheated by your clients, business clients, can be seen. Saturn in the 11th house. Issue with the children, issue with the stomach. Can be seen. So you have to check it out. After that, Rahu. Rahu here is its own house. Rahu in the 11th house means you have fulfilled your desire in the past life. Now he says you are careless over there. You may got cheated by your friends just because of your carelessness. You have good enough of money and you give it to your friends, your brother, any friends who need it, and then you have to fight for it. You're not getting it back easily because you are careless here. That is why you got issue in your family. Issue related to in-laws, inheritance can be seen. 11th house. Issue with father, or father may have health issues. It may also happen that you are not able to stay with your grandfather for a long time, or you don't have see your grandfather. break in studies can be seen, issue related to children, any kind of abortion or miscarriage can be seen. Rahu in the 11th house. But these people get money whenever they need. They want to fulfill their desire. It got desired anyhow. It can take some time, but desire got. Because wherever, according to me, I am not saying it is right, but according to me, I have seen in the charts, wherever Rahu sits in your chart, things flows to him easily. But where Ketu has sitting in the chart, you have to do efforts. So Ketu in the 11th house, very small friend circle, got cheated by friends. But these people in a later age, when the time of Ketu or in the Interdasha of Ketu, when the time of Ketu comes, at least he has three kind of income sources. Three kind of. Very, very desired nature he have. Always want to fulfill their desires. With their small friends, very small circle, he was happy with them. That I don't need a very huge circle. But Rahu in the 11th house have a very huge circle, friend circle, whose clients. But this native is satisfied with his small friend circle. I am okay, I am happy. Because don't want to spend his money. You want to kept it. We don't like to give their money to the others. Always hide it from others so that he can enjoy this. This is my money. I want to enjoy this. I will not give it to others. That is why break in the income can happen. Because they don't want to invest sometimes. They don't want to take risk. Or if Ketu is very good over there, then it can give you a very good amount of money. But you will not able to spend it. Anyhow, some kind of issue can be seen. Issue in the family regarding money can be seen. Your money can stuck to someone, your clients in dealing. So, you have to take care of this. Do not try to kept money, try to spend it out, because you are not going to take this money with you. If God has given this money to you, spend it on you in a good manner, not in a bad manner. I am not asking you to spend your money on your friends, but on you for your life purpose, for your soul purpose. Right? So this was my video, planets in the 11th house. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button. You can press the share button. Share it with others if you can. I need your help if you can help me. So, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a very good day. God bless you all. Thank you. Namaskar.